Hi, I'm Jezebel from Jobber. I'm going to show you how to set up your service area for online booking. To set up a service area, navigate to the gear icon, click Settings, then from the Settings menu, click Online Booking. Then scroll to the Booking Availability section and set the Limit Bookings to Service Area toggle on. Next, enter a zip code or address that's central to the area you serve, and use the slider to expand the radius from that point. The areas highlighted on the map in red will be your service area. Once you're happy with the selected service area, hit Save. When your customers are booking online, before seeing your services, they'll be prompted to enter their zip code to ensure that they live within your service area. If they're outside of your service area, they'll see a message to contact you directly instead. If they're within your booking area, they will progress to selecting their services. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, be sure to reach out to our support team or check out our other videos.